Hello friends, welcome to CTC. Today we will see what is lexical structure in Java. So according to Oxford Dictionary, lexical means relating to the word vocabulary of a language. So as all of you know that Java is a programming language, so obviously it will have its own semantics, its own rules and its own grammar that we have to obey while writing our code, or if we want to run or compile our code successfully, we have to obey those rules. So Java programs are actually written in Unicode character set, and the Unicode standard was actually designed with fixed width, that is 16-bit character encoding system. Then later on it has been changed for the characters who require more than 16-bit. Earlier there wasn't a need to have more than 16-bit character encoding, but later on it required to have more than 16-bit characters. So the Java programming language, where we type the code, whatever text in the Java programming language, when we write a program, we type the text on all these text is represented using UTF-16 encoding. It is an abbreviation of Unicode transformation format, except for comments, identifiers and the contents of the character and string literals. All the inputs in a program are formed by ASCII characters. So Java compiler is smart enough to identify the Unicode input characters and recognize the line terminators. So when we type a program in Java, when we write a program in Java, then the compiler divides these sequence of Unicode input character into lines by recognizing the line terminators. So all these input characters and the line terminators that result from the escape processing, and then input line recognitions are reduced to a sequence of input elements. Means whatever we type text, whatever text we type in the program, that all the text, we can say Unicode character stream, raw Unicode character stream, is translated into a sequence of tokens using lexical translation. So lexical translation are provided to translate that into a sequence of input elements. So here you can see this is the program, just for an example simple program I have written in Java. So all this information, all this text is represented in a Unicode character set, and this information is translated by lexical translation into sequence of input elements. And what are these sequence of input elements? The Unicode characters resulting from lexical translation are reduced to sequence of input elements, which are white space, comments and tokens. So white space, comments and tokens are the sequence of input elements which are generated by lexical translation. So this information is now, after compilation, this information is translated into the sequence of input elements, which are nothing but white space, comments and tokens. So what is white space? White space is defined as a ASCII space character, that is horizontal tab character, form feed character and line terminator characters. And comments are not executed. You can write the comments for the information purpose. If there is a method, if there is a particular logic or code in your program and you want to explain what that particular logic or part of the code is about, so you can write the comments, so it will be easier to understand when you read the code next time, or maybe the person who hasn't written the code, so that person can also understand the what the code is all about. And there are different types of the comments: single line comment, also known as an end line of a comment, and multiple or multi-line comment, or also known as a traditional comment. So single line comment is for the one line, to comment the one line, and multiple, obviously name suggests what it is about. It comments the more than one lines, so that line will not be executed when you run your program. And Java doc is for the documentation. So white space, comments, and next is the tokens. I am gonna upload another video, so in that I'll describe all these concepts in detail. So for the time being, you just have an overview about all these concepts. So the tokens are terminal symbols of syntactic grammar. Those input elements that are not white space or comments are token. So except white space and the comments, which were the part of this input sequence element, except those, the remaining are tokens. So what are the remaining part? Remaining part are the identifier, which is nothing but name given to your variable, or we can say field, or name given to your class or method in Java. So keywords are reserved words. You cannot use these keywords as an identifier. So these are the reserved words. They have their own specific meaning in Java programming language. And literals are just actual values which we store. It is the source code representation. And the separators, separators are nothing but the parentheses, brackets, period, comma, semicolon. All these are the separators. And operators, as you know, additive, when it means arithmetic operator, relational operator, conditional, bitwise operator. So these operators comes under the operator. So I'm gonna upload another video for identifier, keywords, literal for each topic. So just to have an overview, I thought I need to explain all these things. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please check out my other videos too. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. It makes huge difference. Thank you.